Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Ayun, mabibisita tayo sa aking halaman. Flowers. Ayan. Look at this. If you have a flower, you like this. How is it? Oh, the chicken. So, ayan, ang ating bulaklak ngayon. So, ayan, maganda. Ayan, guys. Look at this. Oh, the camera will not see me. My chicken is very noisy. So, ayan, wala tayong magawang content ngayon. So, wala tayong magawang video. So, ayan, nandito muna tayo sa ating halaman today. So, ayan. Ito yung mga halaman ko. Char. This is my orchid. Still not yet flowers. This is my orchid. So, ayan. Pupunta tayo dito. Char! Too much flowers. Char! So, ayan. Ito yung aking mga halaman just for today. So, ayan. Oh! Oh! Nice flowers. I will pick again another one to put in my ear. Char! So, ayan. Cleaning time tayo ngayon sa aking bulaklak. So, ayan, guys. So, so, nandito naman tayo sa aking vegetables here. Char! So, may camera looking at me. Oh. So, wow! So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching. So, ayan. Dito tayo. So, ito yung aking money tree. This one is my money tree. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. This is my short video just for today. Thank you so much. Ciao!